Pitching. Welcome to Old Friends and New Roads. My name's Keith. So this is a different kind of video. You're not going to see a motorcycle in it. I do actually do non-motorcycle family stuff, and we were on vacation in Central Oregon. Rented a house just outside of Sisters, and now we're hiking the Whychus Creek trail. The noise you hear behind me is Whychus Creek. It's a bit muddy right now, but it is beautiful. Maybe comment if you like this kind of video. There are times when I can't ride my motorcycle, and right now is one of them, so I hope you enjoy this one. Well, we can use this to get to know each other a little bit better. About me. Well, I'm a sheet metal worker with Local 16. Currently the shop foreman at a custom metal shop. Favorite color is green. I rock the shit out of some bandanas. Pretty good beard. I'm super into motorcycling, obviously, but I also like got a big elevation climb, photography and filming. So I spend a lot of time doing that. I just dig it, so I share it. So maybe I'll have to think of a new playlist for this kind of thing, but for now I'm just fucking around. So we'll see how it goes. It's just beautiful out here. We've had this rainbow following us. Well, maybe we're following the rainbow, but man, it's beautiful out. We're having a really good time. Rained super hard last night, but let me show you again. We had sun, blue skies even. So if you take the Whychus Creek loop, we did most of the loop, and then there was a little cutoff that takes you down to the creek. So that's where we're heading now, and it's This is proper hiking. So it's like we're going through this draw right now. And I think maybe my family's gonna loop back around. Yeah, I'm gonna get a shot of them.
That's obviously that's not normal.
So we're here at Dee Wright Observatory. Old lava flows, and this place is cool. Just kind of hiking around, looking at rocks. Beautiful day. Still kind of smoky, but I really like it here. Anyway, there's people coming. So mask up. Thanks, COVID. There's a lot of people starting to show up. I believe that is the observatory. Cool. Got the beeps turned off. Three Creeks Brewery. It's good. How's your beer, George?
Excellent. A crowd pleaser. Is it recording? Or is it?
Yeah.
Are we on? Is this live? Is this thing working?
Definitely recommend Three Creeks and Sisters. It's one of our favorites here. And they're open during COVID, so win. So we're staying in Tollgate.
What?
That's the place. We're heading out on a walk. Got some more sun. It's beautiful. Bunch of deer, and we're walking back to look at some horses or some shit. Yeah, man, the weather. We just got so lucky. October weather. It's just beautiful. Anyway, we're all walking. It's been a great trip. Yeah, it really has. A couple of deer.